Sprinting to the future of law. Ah, what a relief! Adapting to ambient intelligence. Part 3. Use cases of ambient intelligence. In the previous part of this issue, we examined key characteristics of ambient intelligence. In this part, we will talk about who could be interested in ambient intelligence. Residential property developers obviously would be most interested in AMI systems. They can build smart houses that can provide pleasant living experiences to residents, monitor their safety and security, promptly act in medical and other emergency situations, and optimize energy consumption based on occupancy and weather conditions. Hospitals and healthcare services would also be interested in AMI. They can remotely monitor patients, deliver precision medicine and other intervention when needed, and provide telemedicine services. By using AMI, retail establishment can enhance entire shopping experiences through smart mirrors, robotic assistants, and automatic queue-less checkouts, provide individualized recommendations, and optimize inventory management. City planners and managers can use AMI to manage urban infrastructure, immediately recognize and adapt to changing patterns of energy use, traffic movements, etc., improve waste management, and increase public safety. Police and emergency services can monitor, identify, respond promptly to emergency incidents. They can also direct emergency response teams with greater accuracy in a timely manner. Educational institute can use AMI to monitor student behavior and individual performance. They can intervene inconspicuously to improve learning at the individual, group, and institutional level. Through AMI, automotive sector can offer cars with voice control and advanced navigation systems, improve automotive safety, convenience, and comfort, and optimize vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and entertainment system based on the driver's performance and driving patterns. Manufacturing facilities and workplaces can improve working conditions in factories and offices, increase employee safety and security, reduce accident with voice integrated controls, and optimize power production and distribution. So ambient intelligence has many applications beyond enhancing living experiences of individuals. In the next part of this issue, we will discuss some legal and regulatory issues with ambient intelligence.